Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to change text to uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case in Excel. So let's get started. I have a list of names here which are in sentence case, so I'll show you how we can convert to uppercase. So put your cursor here, type in equal sign, then type in upper, then open parentheses, then select the cell that contains the text that you want to convert. So in this case, we are converting cell C3. Let me just click on it and then close parentheses, then press enter. So you can see our text has been converted. So let's autofill the other cells by double clicking on this lower edge, and there you go. So to convert to lowercase, put your cursor in any cell, then type in equal sign, then key in lower, then open parentheses, then again select the cell. So in this case, let me select cell D3, sorry, so that we can convert it to lower because right now it's in uppercase. Then close parentheses, then press enter. Then you can see even the last letter is in lowercase or is a small letter. So again, let's autofill. So next is how to convert in to sentence case, whereby the first letter is in capital and then the rest are small letters. So again, type in equal sign, then type proper. So these are formulas in Excel that help you to convert. Then once you type in proper, open parentheses, then let's select cell E3, then close parentheses, then press enter. So again, let's click here to autofill. So there you go. It's as easy as that. So we have uppercase, then lowercase, then sentence case. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, like, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.